Assalamualaikum. My name is Usman. I'm based here in the US for the last 38 years, and I'm a co-founder of Enable Autism in Islamabad. We actually started it around 7 years ago. We were one of the earliest ones in Islamabad, if not in the entire country, Pakistan. The reason I started it was because my own son is on the spectrum. He's mashallah 23 years of age now, and so I've experienced the entire care journey in terms of how was his early intervention years, how were his adolescent years, and now he's part of a more individualized program when it comes to adults. In between, somewhere 7-8 years ago, we were also in Dubai for a few years, and it's one of those challenges in life. No matter how much money you throw at it, that problem doesn't get solved. So in Dubai, my wife and I decided to come back to the US. So when we were coming back to the US, we said, well, wait a minute, if we can take our child from Dubai back to the US, we have similar children in Pakistan. So why can't we do something for them? So it is a not-for-profit organization. It's under our own family trust. We have funded it ourselves. The ultimate vision is to make a platform which is both on ground in terms of a cohesive integrated program for children and adolescents, and also as I said to some degree adults, and with a variety of activities, right? Whether it has to do with the typical therapies that you would see: ABA, speech, OT, social skills, functional academics, life skills, vocational skills. We also take our children to equine therapy. The reason I'm introducing myself is because I wanted to make sure that at the end of the day, ये जो सेंटर है ना, ये बच्चों का, उनका एक हाथ हमारे हाथ में और दूसरा हाथ आपके as parents में. These are all our children, right? I actually sometimes call them these are children of God in that sense. We also have, by the way, a separate thing which we call Enable Academy, which is evening program for underprivileged children. Just like you will see in Pakistan, there's a Shaukat Khanum hospital hai, ya Indus hospital hai, Karachi mein. They have the same mindset. So we don't reduce the quality of service based on affordability. The core जो emotional need थी मेरी इसको start करने की वो वही थी. वो काफ़ी एक फिल्मी dialogue है. I mean absolutely candid with you कि जी हमारे मरने के बाद जो नहीं बच्चे अपना खुद ख्याल रख सकें. अब मैं नहीं चाहता कि बच्चे जो नहीं बोझ बने अपने बहन भाइयों पे. They should take care of their own bodies. कभी अगर अपना ख्याल रख सकें, नहा धो सकें, साफ हो सकें, किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकें अपनी नीड्स के मतलब, कम्युनिटी में उनको रिस्पेक्ट मिल सके. हम अपने बच्चों को, यस हमारे बच्चे हमको हर वक्त बाहर ले जाते हैं, चाहे मैकडॉनल्ड्स जाना हो या KFC जाना हो या पार्क्स जाना हो या स्पेशल ओलंपिक्स जाना हो या ट्रैक्स पे जाना हो इस्लामाबाद में. मैं अपने बच्चों को दुनिया में हर जगह लेके जाता हूँ without a second thought कि जाना चाहिए उसको, ये नहीं जाना चाहिए. He loves going out. So yes, we want to make sure they're functioning independent by the time we are not part of their lives. And the other thing is they need to be productive. And har insan needs to feel productive at the end of the day, otherwise they will have behavioral issues. And one of the things that we want to do is start our own bakery with these children. We want to do our own nursery by the the gardening nursery. We want to have our own computer-based program. In this day and age of AI, I'm sure there's so many avenues that we can tap into, explore to make them feel productive. So please come, participate, bring your child here, test us out, co-partner with us, build this platform for your own child and for all the other children. It will be a privilege. And it will be a privilege absolutely on the day of judgment that we tried to do something really good. Thank you so much. I'm always, by the way, accessible to each and every parent. I'm part of each and every WhatsApp group for these children. So I know exactly कि क्या videos post हो रही हैं, क्या images post हो रहे हैं, क्या communication हो रही है between the parents and the team. So if I need to intervene somewhere, I do, because it's a sense of responsibility and also gratitude with which I'm participating in this thing. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, आपके वक्त का. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.